Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Bing. In this module I want to show you how you can use the new chat feature to ask any question that you may want the answer to. So in the top right hand corner of your browser window you should see this little symbol which says Bing Chat. If you click on that, so it opens up this pane which I've dragged across the screen a little bit bigger. What you have across the top there is three elements: chat, compose and insight, and I'm just going to quickly go through each of these. So I'm going to start with compose because I've been using this quite a lot lately. So let's have a look at what you can type in here. If I type title for a Microsoft Excel course, let's see what happens here. So I'll just correct that spelling mistake, Microsoft. So you've got options underneath: professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational and funny, and then you can add your own. And then you've got style here, formats, paragraph, email, blog post, ideas, length, short, medium, long. I'm going to leave it on medium and just click on generate draft and see what comes up as a title for a Microsoft Excel course. There we go. It's coming up with that comprehensive course for beginners and experts. So you could just use that. It's also coming up with some additional information because I've got it set to medium, which again you can just grab bits and bobs out of that if you want them. If I click on short and generate draft, you'll see what it comes up with. If I select short, it won't be as much obviously. There you go, and it just generates that. Now if that was a title, now if I say instead of title, say objectives for a Microsoft Excel course, click on generate draft. This course will teach you how. So it's basically coming up with some ideas for objectives that you can do. Now that's on short, but if I go for long and just run that again, see what happens now. So that's going to generate a lot more information, and again you can just pull off the relevant paragraphs, copy and paste them to wherever you want this information. But it's coming up with this information now, and it's giving you all that sort of ideas. If I put goals for learning access, let's see what it comes up with on a type that. So this is now going to give me some goals hopefully. Now it's dropping it above this preview area, but you can see what it's doing. So it's doing quite a lot of information there, and you can just highlight this if you can't see it and copy and paste it whatever way you want to do. So that's a lot of information because I've still got it set to long, but it gives you a starting point for any document you might want. Now you've got, obviously I'm on paragraph there, you've got email, you've got blog post. So if I click on blog post, let's see what it does. Generate a preview for a blog post. So it's giving me all that information. It just generates the actual main content, and the more information you put up there, the more detailed this will be. For learning access, so if I put advanced access and then generate that again, it would give me more information, slightly different. So that was not picking up the actual Microsoft Access. So Access is a powerful data. It's picking it up now, and there you go. So these are the options. So some of these you can do or take out, like SQL. It's a different course altogether, but you can take that out or leave it in. You cherry pick what you want. Now ideas, let's go for objectives for a Word course and get it to do ideas this time, and I'll just go back to medium so it doesn't do so much. Click on that, so it's going to generate some ideas this time, so I've picked this option. It's going to drop that in. Okay, it can't generate text, potentially harmful tone, so it doesn't. Microsoft Word course, so it's self-censoring itself there. So ideas, there we go. So the word Microsoft changed its mind and it started to give me some ideas of what I can put for what you will learn in a Microsoft Word course. Now you've also got on the left there chat at the top, and you can ask, let's ask this. So what I asked there, look, is how to create a parameter query in Access, and this is what it came back with, and a little video of how to do it. So how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel. Let's see what it comes back with when I do that one. So it's looking at that. It should come up with a little ticky box, so it's now searching for it, and then it'll give me a list and tell me how to do it, and it might even give me a video of how to do it. So this is a really powerful tool. It's a bit of a game changer, to be honest, and it's just part of Microsoft. There's a video of how to do it as well. So that's a video coming off probably YouTube, off the internet for definite. So that's what you can do on chat, or you can just ask anything. Now insights is to do with what you've got on the screen there. So I've got my website there, and it's telling me different things about that website. So if I just highlight something on there, or change the website, I'll change the website to something else. I'll go to the BBC website and then see what it picks up on this one. So now it's picking up the BBC website and giving me some insights on there, and I've got lots of information and links down there, so you can see how that works. So that was the insights. So you've got chat, compose, and insights. So I've been using this compose one quite a lot to get some information. Down the bottom of this screen, you've got the ability to navigate through the ones you've already created, a copy option, and then a reload, or same as clicking that really. And you can click on this button down the bottom there which says add to site, and then you've got the information at hand if you're going to use it over and over again. So this is a really cool feature that is just sitting there in your browser. If you haven't got that, you've probably got you haven't got the updated version, but if you've got that, you can basically start using it. It's your own little AI, and for whatever you want to use it for, schoolwork, or I'm just doing it for course content, that's what you can use. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.